everyone, how you doing today? I have a special guest. Today, I have a friend here. She treated me with a music bowl. It's so relaxing. That's why I look like this. I'm so relaxed and not have much makeup on. Can you tell? Okay. Well, thank you so much to come over. And my treat to her today, I'm gonna cook her some food. And she's a vegetarian, right? She don't eat meat. So I'm gonna be like, okay, come with a difficult dish for me, okay? But I will make it happen because it's Gigi Lao's kitchen. So I'm gonna make the mushroom noodle for you.
Okay.
Kao-Piek mushroom, okay? Kao-Piek Sen หลายๆอย่าง okay? So what we have ingredient here, we have a homemade noodle.
It's beautiful.
And 3 different kind of mushroom. You can do any mushroom that you like. And of course we love spice and we have all the spice here to put with the noodle. And we have green onion, cilantro, ginger. Ginger is good for your body. And I also have lime. Okay, so you got all different tastes. Let's get started. Cook with me. Okay, we're gonna use this product. Okay, it's organic.
Yeah.
Okay, the paste, and first of all, we wanna put the salt. Okay,
A bit of sauce.
a little bit more.
And this is red miso.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, you know exactly what it is. Huh?
Yeah, I like miso.
So instead of boil the, chicken and stuff, that's what we use. Okay, let it boil a little bit.
Stir it.
Yes. Wow, does that look good?
Look at that.
That's it. That's just turn off the heat. Really nice and easy. All that nice, beautiful mushroom. Smells so wonderful. Got the aromatic from the ginger, mushroom.
Very simple.
Really simple, fast, easy dinner, huh?
Yes, now I can make this for my husband.
Yes.
Cilantro. I'll make it real pretty. And with the little fresh ones of these.
I don't know you like pepper or not.
Yes.
This is my homemade garlic.
Yes.
And that's a homemade pepper too. Let me go get some chew. This is good
Yes.
stuff.
And then how should I get that one out?
Okay, I'm gonna go here. Use the same spoon. Oh,
Yeah, I like
okay.
it, so
Well, she's
good.
not afraid of spicy pepper. She used to stay in Thailand for
Yes.
years, and she get used to our food, right?
Yes.
Like Lao Thai food, no problem. And she
Very
love the food and culture guy. If you see her, welcome her to Thailand or Laos, okay? Yay!
Yeah.
Okay. And then you're gonna use the lime,
Okay.
if you like. Smells so good. Smells good, huh? You like sugar?
Yeah.
You put a little bit sugar.
Okay.
You know, when you put lime, every time you put lime, you have to add a little bit
Right.
sugar. You know, Thai and Lao food, we love like spicy,
Right.
sweet, and sour.
Yes.
Right?
All of
Okay.
the senses.
And if you like that's optional, you can put
Okay.
it in if you like. Okay.
Taste it first. I think it's good. It'll be
Mm.
the way it is. So I'll
Okay.
take a picture of that too
Yes.
before I stir it.
Perfect.
That's beautiful. That was good.
All right, guys. After she finishes, I'm gonna make me a big bowl. Okay.
Right.
Don't you think that I don't eat in front of camera? But today I let she do it for me. Okay, guys. That's good. Yeah. That's perfect.
Yes.
I thank you so much for coming to my show. Okay. Thanks again. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Okay. I hope she have time and come to the video and show us how to eat more like healthy, like all kind of vegetable. It's good for you. All right. Okay. Bye. See you next time. Log on.